If you want results with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025, you need to have someone who's going to help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Why? Because most of the people in 2025, they buy the course for 2,500, 4,000 US dollars. And what they find out is that there is no personal support. There are thousands or hundreds of people just like you doing copy and paste system and then wondering, why heck I'm not getting any results? Why I'm not getting any conversions, sales, affiliate commissions, money in the bank? It's not your fault, but the reason is that there are people just like you doing the same copy and paste things. And most of those things used to work 2 or 3 years ago, or maybe a year ago. And now, for example, TikTok or maybe Facebook or YouTube or Google has changed. The privacy rules has changed. Algorithm has changed. And now you're wondering why the heck I'm not getting any sales. When in fact, it's not your fault because you bought 3,000, 4,000 US dollars course and it's outdated. It used to work last year, but it's not up to date. And there is no one-on-one support. When you ask someone, hey, can you help me? You get email AI ChatGPT support, which doesn't work. In 2025, you have to understand, you need proven offer, okay? But not the same offer that everyone else is promoting. Now, it's no problem if hundreds of people are promoting the same offer around the world. But when you have thousands of people promoting the same offer, yes, there's going to be some problems, right? So if I were you, I would get to work with someone personally, one-on-one. This is what I used to do many years ago, 7 years ago. I paid someone over 10,000 US dollars, actually 12,000 US dollars, to teach me some of the strategies that actually work in direct response affiliate marketing. I'm not talking about how to create a nice landing page because it doesn't matter. Graphic design doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, people are human beings, are the ones who are buying. So we need the right psychology of market. We need to know, are they low emotional or high emotional state audience? Are they males or females? What kind of language patterns we are using? And do we have the right message to the market match? And is there any buyer's intent? Because if you have many clicks but no sales, I would definitely say the problem you have, my friend, you see, is not that the offer is bad, is that your messaging is wrong. You have high curiosity intent. People are curious, but they don't have buyer's intent. You see, they're just wondering, what is that weird, ugly image on the ad, on Facebook ads or YouTube ads? What is that? They click and they don't buy. So you waste your time and money doing the wrong things. In fact, if you just paid someone or got a coach or a mentor who can help you personally one-on-one, you could already be fast forward many, many years ahead of someone else. Or people who are trying free things, free traffic, something for nothing, and hope something will work. It doesn't work like that in 2025. I traveled to over 65 countries. I always share on my Instagram. You can go and follow me there. 65 countries thanks to affiliate marketing. Okay? I stay in some 5-star resorts, first class tickets. Not to boast, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take this seriously, okay? You don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can still work at your 9 to 5 and spend 30 minutes a day, 20, 30 minutes a day extra doing this affiliate marketing. And you can always go back, okay? That's what I told myself. I can always go back and do, I don't know, 9 to 5 or do whatever I'm doing right now, years ago, right? If it doesn't work out. But what if it does? What if you can make, I'm not talking about millions per month. I'm talking about what if you can make $300 or $600 per day or 500 US dollars profit per day, working 30 minutes to 1 hour a day. What this could do for your family, okay? This is what you have to ask yourself. Do you have the guts and courage to take action, to give yourself a gift, to actually get results with affiliate marketing, to have someone to guide you through, hand-holding you along the way, so you can have real, sustainable passive income, okay? Where you can make $200, $300, $400 per day, every single day, not just one day in a week. All this is possible without showing your face, promoting everyday, low-ticket, high-quality products. So if you have any questions, you can message me on my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number in the description below. Most gurus will never give you their phone number, right? You can connect with me one-on-one. There are the links. Let me know, okay? You have my Facebook Messenger, Facebook group, Instagram and email. So reach out, but only if you're serious and if you really want results with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025.